What if I told you that you can make a professional animated music video for kids in just few minutes without learning any difficult animation tools? Sounds great, right? Stay with me and I'll show you an easy step-by-step way to create fun cartoon music videos that kids and parents will love. Step 1. Generate song lyrics using ChatGPT. Let's first generate song lyrics using ChatGPT. Just write a detailed prompt about the song. You can specify the theme, genre, number of verses, and mood. Just send the prompt and ChatGPT will give you the lyrics of the song you want. You can modify them and make some changes if you want to. Once you have the lyrics, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Create a song using the lyrics. For this, we'll use the Suno AI tool. You get 50 credits for free to use every day. Go to suno.com, log in using your Google account. Now click Create, enable the custom option, click here and choose version 4 for better results. Now enter the lyrics here in the lyrics section. Copy the lyrics from ChatGPT and paste them here. In the style of music section, either enter the description of the music you want or select from the available options. Enter the title for the song and click Create. Here's the song it generated. You can choose anyone you like. Let's select this. Click on the 3 dots, go to Download, choose Audio, and the song will be downloaded to your computer. Let's now move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate video clips for the music video. To generate the video clips, we'll use the Hailuo AI. You can visit hailuoai.video or click on the link in the description. Log in using your Google account. Now click Create and select the text-to-video model. This is where you need to enter the prompt to generate the video. Now either you can write the prompt by yourself or ask ChatGPT. Let me generate the prompts using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and open the chat where you generated the song lyrics. Now enter this prompt. Write detailed, in-depth prompts to generate text-to-videos for each scene in this poem so that I can create a video. This will generate prompts for you to use, which you can then use to create short video clips. Let's now move on to the next step. Step 4. Create video clips using Hailuo AI. Now copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, go to Hailuo AI and paste the prompt here. Click on the Create button and just within a few seconds, it will generate the video from the text prompt you provided. Here is the video. Click on the Download button to download it. Similarly, generate videos from all the prompts one by one. I have created some videos for demonstration. Alright, now we have the video clips and the song. Let's now compile them together and create a composition. Step 5. Compile video clips using Microsoft Clipchamp. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. We'll use Clipchamp, a free, easy-to-use video editor. Open Clipchamp and start a new project. Upload your animated clips and song files. Drag and drop each clip onto the timeline in the correct order. Sync the song with the animations by trimming or adjusting as needed. Add background music or sound effects to enhance the video. Preview your project to ensure everything flows smoothly. Export the final video in 1080p resolution. And that's it. Here is our final video. Like the video if you found it useful and don't forget to subscribe for more AI related content like this.